Hanukkah is a time for family, tradition, and, of course, incredible food. Imagine your table filled with crispy latkes, tender brisket, and sweet Hanukkah cookies. This year, make your celebrations even more special with our exclusive ebook, Family Hanukkah Recipes. Our carefully curated ebook includes crispy vegetable latkes and cauliflower latkes, a Hanukkah classic with a twist. Melt-in-your-mouth brisket and sweet brisket, slow-cooked to perfection. Roasted halibut with olive oil and lemon, a flavorful, elegant dish. Olive oil walnut cake, Karydopita, a rich, nutty dessert. Cheese-stuffed olives and Hanukkah cookies, the perfect holiday treats. These recipes are easy to make, incredibly delicious, and perfect for bringing your loved ones together. Whether you're hosting a big gathering or a cozy family dinner, our ebook has everything you need for a joyful and tasty Hanukkah. Don't wait. Click the link now to grab your copy of Family Hanukkah Recipes and bring the taste of tradition to your table. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.